Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. Whether you're looking to add a sleek, modern touch to your online store, or want to highlight the images behind your header, a transparent header can elevate the overall design of your Shopify site. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with just a few simple steps, you'll have a transparent header up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify site. Once you're there, you'll notice a gear icon positioned on the left panel. This is your gateway to the theme settings, so go ahead and click on that gear icon to open it up. Now, within the theme settings, you'll find an option labeled Colors. It's time to dive into that. As you navigate into the color section, you'll want to select a color scheme. This will allow you to establish a new set of color properties specifically tailored to your header. When you're setting the colors, like the background, text, headings, and links, it's your chance to get creative and align them with your brand's palette. But here's the critical part. Ensure the opacity of your background color is set to transparent. This step is crucial as it dictates the transparency effect on your header, allowing the content behind it to be visible. With your new color scheme all set up, it's time to apply it to your header. Head back and click on the header to access its properties. It's in this area that you can make specific tweaks to how your header appears. When you reach the color settings within the header properties, choose the color scheme you just created. This selection causes your header to adopt the transparent background along with any other color choices you decided upon. If you're using a transparent header, I recommend also adjusting the header's padding. Sometimes a transparent header can feel a little too empty if there's too much space around it. Consider reducing the padding to make the header feel more compact and integrated in your page design. You can find this option in the same header property section. Now, here's a quick but very important tip. After you've made these changes, don't forget to test your transparent header on different devices, especially mobile. Shopify themes are responsive, but sometimes a transparent header may behave a bit differently on smaller screens. If it looks a little off, you may need to tweak the header size or opacity settings to ensure it looks great on all devices. If you want your transparent header to stand out even more, you could add a subtle box shadow to the header. This helps give it some separation from the background image, making sure it remains visible no matter what's behind it. You can do this easily by modifying your theme's CSS settings or looking for shadow options within your theme settings. Once you're happy with the changes, don't forget to hit save and publish your work. This ensures that your transparent header is live on your store and visible to your customers. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create a transparent header on your Shopify store. With these simple adjustments, your site can achieve a clean and sophisticated look that enhances visual appeal and user engagement. Remember, the key lies in the choice of colors and ensuring the background's opacity is fully transparent. This not only makes your header blend seamlessly with your site, but also sets your Shopify store apart with a distinct, modern look. When using a transparent header, you'll want to make sure that your website's content is still easy to read. If your images behind the header are too busy or bright, consider adding a semi-transparent overlay behind the text to keep it legible without losing that sleek, modern feel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to test the transparency across different devices to ensure it remains just as stunning wherever your customers visit. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with other Shopify design tips. I'd love to hear how you're using this feature to enhance your store.